It's raining like fuck, and I gotta move all this shit. I hate this because I'm kind of in charge today, and I don't like it. I have to be out here to finish all this crap. Okay. No. Never again. No.
Ooh. Okay, this thing is on, so I think so. But like I said, subscribe, watch the vlogs. But before anything, if you subscribe, don't subscribe. Watch the videos first, and if you like it, subscribe. If you don't, then if you like it, and subscribe. But if you don't, then it's good. I'm taking this serious. Something new that I want to do. Something I really want to do. So yeah, let's go.